Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Virtual DJ on your Mac. Fast, easy, and step-by-step. Virtual DJ is one of the most popular DJ software tools for mixing tracks, creating remixes, and performing live sets. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this guide will help you install it correctly on macOS. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Virtual DJ website, virtualdj.com. I'll also leave the link in the video description so you can access it quickly. Once the website loads, click the download button at the top of the page. You'll see download options for both Windows and Mac. Since we're installing on macOS, click Download Virtual DJ for Mac. Your installer file will begin downloading automatically. After the download completes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the .pkg file. It's usually named virtualdj.pkg. This will open the Virtual DJ installer. Click Continue. Review the license agreement, then click Continue again and select Agree. Choose the installation location, or leave it set to the default. Then click Install. If macOS asks for permission, enter your Mac administrator password to confirm. Now wait a few moments while the installation finishes. Once it's done, click Close to exit the installer. Now that Virtual DJ is installed, open Finder and go to your Applications folder. Look for Virtual DJ. Click to open the app. If macOS shows a warning saying the app was downloaded from the internet, simply click Open to continue. Virtual DJ may ask you to log in or create an account, but you can also choose limited mode if you prefer not to sign in. Once the app loads, you're ready to start mixing your music, adding effects, loading tracks, and exploring everything Virtual DJ has to offer. And that's it. That's how to download and install Virtual DJ on your Mac. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.